All right, so we have a lot of individuals who call in who have warrants for their arrest. Now, the main question that most people ask right up front is, what happens if I do nothing? Okay, well, first of all, if you have a warrant out for your arrest, that means that any time you have an interaction with a police officer, or a federal official for that matter, and your driver's license is run, then that cop will see that there's an active warrant. What will the cop do at that point? Pretty simple. He or she will put you in cuffs, put you into the squad car, and then take you to the jurisdiction or municipality from where the arrest warrant issued. At that point, your options are very, very slim. You can either sit in jail until an appropriate time where there's a hearing to be had, or you can bond out. Now, when you bond out, that's just a bunch of money that you pay over to the clerk in order to spring yourself from jail. That's the basic idea. So if you do nothing about your arrest warrant, you're basically rolling the dice. You're taking the gamble that you won't get pulled over or that you won't have an interaction with the police. That's pretty risky. We think you should do something better than that. Give us a call. We can get the arrest warrant lifted off your shoulders, which allows us to then address the underlying ticket, because there's always a traffic ticket or some sort of offense from which the arrest warrant sprung. So that's what I would suggest. Our fees for an arrest warrant to get it taken care of run about $150 or so, and we usually include the traffic ticket in that, so there's not an additional charge. It's typically how we do it. But the idea is pretty simple. If you're running around town, driving or whatever, with an active warrant for your arrest, you're playing with fire. And when you play with fire, you're going to get burned eventually. So why not just give us a call? We'll answer all your questions, describe the full process of how this works, get that warrant taken care of, get the traffic ticket fixed, and have you back on the road with a clean record. Give us a call. We'll go from there.